fact, Facebook's Anki Das, Director Public Policy, registers a complaint against the police. In fact, she registers a complaint with the police against those people who have been threatening her. She says that she's got life threats. Anki Das, Facebook's Director Public Policy, registers a complaint against those people who have been threatening her, claims threat to life. In fact, Anki Das, she's been pulled up by the Congress party, who says that she was earlier working with the ABVP. She has been closely associated with the BJP. She's had party links previously, and for her to be hired as a Facebook representative for India is highly biased and allowing her to use her influence and her biases while deciding who to block, who not to block, what post to be pulled down, what not to be pulled down. Here's the lady herself now filing a police complaint against all of those who've been threatening her, says she's got threat to life. In fact, Facebook claims that rules are the same for all, irrespective of party, irrespective of which political party, and positioning insightful, hateful posts will be pulled down, and that's the universal rule. Aishwarya Paliwal joining us for more details. Aishwarya, here we're looking at Anki, the lady in question who's accused to have been having links with the BJP, who's currently heading the public relations team or department for Facebook India, is now under scanner. She's, of course, all eyes on her as Congress accuses her to be biased and accuses Facebook of siding with the BJP and in fact, to try and push their political interest, push their business into India. Here is the lady herself now filing a police complaint against all of those haters, those who are threatening her, as she claims.
Well, definitely. Anki Das is in fact the Director of Public Policy in India for Facebook, and she has filed a complaint with the cyber police in the national capital. In her complaint, she has also attached screenshots of the kind of threats that she has been getting. She has very clearly written in her complaint that for the past few days, she has been getting life threats, and people are also accusing of harming her physically. She has attached all those screenshots and has written to the Delhi police. She is also now saying that she would want to make sure that no harm comes to her, which is why she, in her very detailed complaint, has in fact taken names, and also in those names she has attached the profiles of all those people who have been threatening her, in fact threatening her with dire consequences, and also threatening her with harming her physically. So now there we have the Director of Public Policy, Facebook India, writing to the Delhi Cybercrime Police, asking them to take action against all those who have been threatening her. Back to you.
Thank you very much for joining us with those details. A major step Anki now takes to the Cyber Police to file a complaint against those who are threatening her.